Which companion am I? I was born into the powerful Quraysh tribe and was well known for my modesty, even before accepting Islam. I was one of the first people to embrace Islam after hearing about it from Hazrat Abu Bakr. I was known for my wealth and generosity, often using my resources to support the Muslim community, like buying wells for public use. I ordered the compilation of the Quran into a single, standardized book to prevent discrepancies. I was extremely modest. Even angels were said to be shy in my presence. My leadership style was characterized by peace and diplomacy, though my later years were marked by some internal conflicts. I am known for maintaining strict financial transparency, even distributing my own wealth for community benefit rather than public funds. I was married to two of the Prophet Muhammad's daughters, earning me a special title. I was instrumental in the Islamic naval victories and the development of a naval force to protect the Muslim empire. Despite my wealth, I was humble in character and lived a simple life, often fasting and worshipping privately. When the Muslim army faced drought, I purchased a well in Medina and made its water free for all Muslims. I am remembered for expanding the Prophet's mosque in Medina to accommodate a growing Muslim population. When others fled during the early battles, I stayed firm and defended Islam, making sacrifices for the cause. I was killed by rebels in my home while reading the Quran, making me a martyr. The Quran that I compiled is known as the Uthmani script, and is used by Muslims worldwide to this day. My caliphate lasted 12 years, making it one of the longest among the rightly guided caliphs. During my caliphate, I oversaw the expansion of the Islamic Empire into North Africa, the Caucasus, and parts of Central Asia. Who am I? I was the third of the four rightly guided caliphs, following Caliph Umar. Who am I? Can you figure it out? Peek below to see the answer. Please like, subscribe, and share to spread the word about these great leaders of Islam.